Hi, this is the Get VIP TV setup video. At this point, you have the box plugged in, the HDMI port plugged in, your TV on, and the main screen showing. Before we can get started, we have to do two things. One is to set the date and time, and two is to connect to the Wi-Fi or internet. So the first thing we do is we take our remote and we push the down arrow and right arrow until we get to the gear setting, which is the icon for settings. We push OK and the settings menu comes up. The top is network and internet. Let's bypass that for now and scroll down to device settings and press OK for device preferences. Under device preferences, we're going to go to date and time, and we'll leave the automatic date and time off for now. If it's not currently off, set it to off. You can just push enter and go down and push OK again, and it's off. The next thing we do is we set our date. So you push OK, and you can scroll up and down and put your proper date in here and push OK. And likewise, do the same thing for the time. You can adjust your minutes, your hours, and the AM and PM. Hours, minutes, AM, PM. Okay? Push OK. And then set your time zone accordingly. Okay? And then once you have that all set, here are all your various time zones that you can scroll through and pick the one that you're in and set that. Push OK. And once you're all set here, push the back arrow twice, and you're back at the main settings screen. Now we're going to go to network and internet, and we are going to find our Wi-Fi connection. Now, I'm sure your name isn't, your Wi-Fi name isn't DEW Link, but mine is, and that's the one I'm going to connect to. You'll do the same thing, only with your Wi-Fi network. So you find the network that you want, you push OK, and then enter your password. I have a very simple password, and I will probably have to change it after this video, but that's okay. And once it's in, you press the check mark. Now, once it's connected to the network, which it's going through right now, connecting to DEW Link, it says connected successfully, okay? And you're back at the preferences screen. Now, hit the back button once, and now let's go back down to device preferences and go back down to date and time and do automatic date and time to use the network time. Okay, this is very important because if there's ever a situation where you lose the network or something like that, or you have a power failure and your network comes back on, your network time will automatically sync up with the time on the box. And if you notice, the time on the front of my box right here is the actual time that is provided by the network. Now, you are all set. You can just go back over to the main home screen and select IM Player, and it should load your system, and there we are. We're watching live TV. Thank you. I hope this has been instructional.